Muscle loss. After 60? Can these 7 simple foods bring back your power? Are you over 60 and feeling weaker than before? Struggling with muscle loss, low energy, or difficulty walking? You're not alone. Millions of seniors face this problem. But what if the solution was sitting right in your kitchen? Today, we'll reveal 7 simple, cheap, high-protein foods that can help rebuild muscle and bring back your strength after 60. Welcome back to our channel, where we share natural health tips, nutrition secrets, and fitness advice for seniors and adults over 40. If you want to stay active, strong, and independent as you age, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Why muscle loss happens. After 60. Muscle loss after 60 is very common and is known as sarcopenia. This happens because hormones like testosterone and growth hormone decline. People become less physically active. Protein intake usually decreases. Medical issues like arthritis, diabetes, or joint pain make movement harder. The result? Weakness, poor balance, and a higher risk of falls. But here's the truth. Muscle loss is not permanent. With the right nutrition, especially protein-rich foods, and light exercise, you can regain strength and live powerfully after 60. 7. Simple, high-protein foods for seniors. 1. Eggs, nature's protein. Powerhouse, cheap, versatile, and packed with high-quality protein. Contain leucine, an amino acid that stimulates muscle growth. Also provide vitamin D and B12 for energy and bone strength. Tip: eat 1 to 2 boiled or scrambled eggs daily for best results. 2. Greek yogurt, higher protein than regular yogurt. Contains probiotics for gut health. Easy to digest and great for breakfast or snacks. Tip: mix with fruits and nuts for extra nutrients. 3. Lentils and beans, plant-based proteins that are budget-friendly. Rich in fiber, iron, and slow-digesting carbs for lasting energy. Ideal for seniors who want muscle recovery without heavy meat intake. Tip: add lentil soup or bean salad, 3 to 4 times a week. 4. Chicken breast or lean meat. Classic source of lean protein with very little fat. Helps repair damaged muscle fibers quickly. Packed with iron and zinc, important for immune support. Tip: grill or bake instead of frying for a healthier option. 5. Cottage cheese, paneer, slow-digesting protein, perfect for overnight muscle repair. Contains casein protein and calcium for strong bones. Affordable and easy to add to salads, curries, or snacks. Tip: a small bowl before bed helps recovery while you sleep. 6. Fish, especially salmon and tuna. Protein-rich and loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve muscle function. Also rich in vitamin D, which supports bone health. Tip: eat fish 2 to 3 times a week or use canned tuna for convenience. 7. Nuts and seeds, almonds, chia, pumpkin seeds. Small but powerful, rich in protein, magnesium, and healthy fats. Improve energy levels and support muscle recovery. Great snack option for seniors. Tip: a handful of nuts or chia pudding daily is enough. Lifestyle tips to maximize muscle growth. Food is powerful, but muscle strength also depends on lifestyle. Here's how to maximize results. Do light strength training. Use resistance bands or light weights. Stay active. Daily, walking, gardening, or even household chores keep muscles engaged. Hydrate. Well, water helps transport nutrients to your muscles. Prioritize sleep. Your body repairs muscle during deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Spread protein intake. Instead of eating all protein in one meal, spread it across breakfast, lunch, and dinner. These 7 foods are safe and affordable for most seniors, but always check with your doctor if you have medical conditions like kidney disease, since high protein may not be suitable for everyone. So, can these 7 simple foods really bring back your power after 60? Absolutely. Eggs, yogurt, beans, lean meats, cottage cheese, fish, and nuts can transform your diet, rebuild lost muscle, and help you feel strong again. Which of these foods do you already eat, and which one will you add to your diet starting today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out the next video on your screen for more natural health tips to keep you strong and healthy at any age.